grand entry. Hey-ya! Hey-ya! Following the Eagles in the flag, we have our dignitaries, our leadership, our elders, our committee, our bucks and dancers that come from the spirit, that come from this community, longtime chief council member, our royalty, coming into the front of the announcer said, we have our men's golden age. Hee-yah! 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 Traditional. Hee-yah! Golden age. All right, in front of this MC stand, we got our warriors. Show us what you got. Come on out. Here we go. That's the way to come in there. Come on through. In front of the MC stand, we have our men, rap dancers. Hey-ha! Dance like no one's watching. Down and good, wild horse. Down there, good. Loon Lake, let's make some noise and encourage our dancers. Powwow! Welcome, men's Prairie Chicken. Right behind our men's burger chicken, we got our men's fancy war dancers. Bring in the heat. That's the way, dancers, that's the way. Hoppa! Smooth. What a life we have as indigenous people. Let's show 'em how we love this way. Now making your way into our arena in front of the MC stand, we want to welcome our matriarchs, our mothers, grandmothers, sisters, and relations as we call forth Women's Traditional. In our adult categories. If you're not here, then man, you're missing out. As we move forward here to the grand entry and everything in protocol, we were called up our elder to not only pray for the people of Makwasagaigan, but for all relations that come here to dance, to sing,